Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mia and I'm an English learner. As you can probably see, I can speak English but not really well. At least I can communicate in English, right? Because I'm not a native English speaker. I made a video about how I learned English last week, but I didn't say anything about any method, any books, or maybe I have a coach or a tutor, etc. I just talk about myself, about what really happened to me many years ago and how I deal with it in order to speak English better. So why is that? Because it's me. I'm the only version that no one else can be, and of course the ability of learning English. I don't have a knack for learning English. I don't like studying grammar. I don't understand the majority of the important grammatical points. That's why I couldn't get any good grades in English in high school. The reason I was able to use English in my job was that I simply tried to copy what people usually use in business. That's all. And now I play with my 2-year-old son every single day. I literally figure out a secret about learning any language. Are you curious what the secret is? Do you know any babies learning languages? So look at my son as an example. He doesn't say any single word for the first year of his life except some simple sounds like papa or mama. He now is 2.5 years old, but he can say whatever he wants or whatever he thinks in our mother tongue. So how could my son learn our mother tongue in only 2.5 years? He started to talk after almost a year. So for the first year, he just listened to all the sounds surrounding him. It was exactly just listen and reacted to what he had heard by looking at, smiling, or sometimes crying. The second year, he could shadow some vocabulary with one syllable like chair, rain, dog, live, and then 2 syllables like table, chicken. Next is 3 syllables, then short sentences like mommy carry, and then a bit longer like mommy carry me around. For the first year, he could have a conversation with us, just basic conversation, but at least he could communicate with us in our mother tongue. He usually says something unclearly, make grammatical mistakes, mixes with other languages, and sometimes he also used body language. But it's okay, right? There are also problems of language learners, right? I think it's okay because at least he can speak a language to communicate with others. And by learning language consistently, the babies could fix their pronunciation day by day in their language environment, and then they are able to speak their mother tongue naturally without being conscious of grammar. After all, based on my learning English experience and what I have observed my son, I can say if you really want to acquire any language but you don't like or you cannot absorb the grammar, so you should learn the language like a baby. Obviously, it should take time. Let's check on the babies. They need almost 3 years to sound 80% like adults. So we also need an equal period or even longer to get to this level. So why is it longer? I guess it's because we are already proficient in another language. We are not blank like a baby. So there are a lot of distracting things surrounding us, right? Finally, if you're sort of interested in studying grammar, just do it. Just do whatever you feel is right for you. But if you've been having trouble studying grammar, then consider what I've just talked about. I hope it's beneficial to you. Bye.